For this prototype I have designed, we will see first the documentation of the project and then we will go for the live demo. So I have designed a web application using Flask. In this I have designed the three modules, that is the text analysis, audio analysis and the video analysis. In the text and audio analysis, currently we can say upload the files, that is a text file and audio file, for the sentiment detection and analysis, while for the video analysis the emotions and the sentiments of the customer are live detected on the screen. As shown in the figure, we can see that from the web application the request for the text, audio or video analysis is sent to the software, while the prediction is done using our trained model, and prediction are stored into the database. Then the scope of the scope of this automation is to recognize the future intention of the customer. This also help to gain the people feedback on the certain product. For this it becomes easy to provide proper customer care support, as the software also provide the suggestions and actions to be taken for the review given by the customer. The system is designed in such a way that based on the emotions detected of the customer, system also provide the suggestion what action is to be needed to taken to solve the customer's problem. Moreover, the sentiments detected are represented in the graphical manner so that we can easily analyze the feedback. Now we will see the live demo of a project. First of all, we will have to log in here. So for the text and audio analysis, first of all we will give some name. Suppose it is shares fake name. Submit. First of all we will give a text file. Yes, we will submit it. So the emotions from the text file are visible. It is represented in the form of pie chart. We get the detailed analysis of it below. That is named the happiness score, sadness score, angriness score. Whereas the emotion detected is happy. The customer interaction review gives is interested. That is the customer is interested in the product and is happy with the product. We can also view the interaction of the customer uh, with the organization. We can also download the whole report from here. Now for the text, this was the text, that is in the text file we can submit the chats, emails, etc. Well, for the audio we can upload the, for example, let it be named as ABCD. Submit. We will submit a recording. Submit. As we can see that the file is processed completely. Okay, then these are the sentiments detected from the audio file. In the audio file, that is joy, that is angry 33%, joy 33%, sadness 30, that all are equal. In this also we can view the interaction from the audio file. Yes, in the audio file we can analyze the such as call recordings of the customer. Then next comes to the, okay, this first we will see the uploads. This folder, this option gives the list of all the recordings of all the text that is analyzed by the our software. Okay, and we here, from here we can view their reports and also the interaction of the customer with the organization. whereas or delete the record. Okay, then we will now go to the video analysis. Okay, then we put your name. Yes. Submit it. Okay, this will analyze the text in the live manner, real time, up to which the call is going on. It will analyze the sentiments of the customer. As soon as we end the call, the video analysis will be completed and the emotion detected from the video will be given here, whereas the detailed report of it is also given as it is saying that emotion detected is happy and customer interaction review is interested. So in this way this project is designed to detect the emotions of the customer very effectively and also showing it in the graphical manner. Further, we can see that all the video analysis done by the software here, all the list stored in the database. Here we can view the report for each of them, for all the emotions detected by it, just sadness, surprise, fear, and all the analysis done. Emotion detected happy, customer interaction is interested. So this system is very useful for detection of the sentiment and analysis of the customer and to make the customer be engaged with the organization, so that the customer doesn't go anywhere and keep buying products from the same organization. So this is my project for Inframind season 4 with the problem statement of enterprise AI system. Thanks for watching my video.